Hey, welcome to the channel. We're Amy and Richard. In 2019, we sold everything, left our jobs in Iowa, and took a huge leap of faith to move to Northwest Arkansas. We now live in a log cabin in the woods right outside the Ozark National Forest. We have a huge passion for exploring Arkansas. This channel started off as documenting our home videos. Now we just love sharing our off-roading adventures with y'all. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram for extra content and notifications of our latest videos. So come along and watch what happens in this week's episode. It's always an adventure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not. Later.
Morning, y'all. It's February 8th. Getting ready to go out and ride today. It's supposed to be 65 or so today. Not bad for winter. It actually feels pretty dang good out right now. Should be a good day to ride. Go down and grab some breakfast to Eden's and roll out. Broken.
Whoa. That was crazy.
Yeah.
Is that a coyote?
I think it was a coyote.
Or a wolf.
Owl.
It was a werewolf.
Werewolf. Chupacabra?
Yeah, it was a chupacabra. Hopefully you don't pop out on this road.
It might. I still see it over there.
Still running?
Yeah.
Oh, there he is. He gone. He gone. Shoot.
Beat us.
Yeah, he did. He won. He won the race.
Yeah.
Shoot. Morning, Juicy.
Good morning.
What's up? What are we doing?
We go ride today.
We're here at the White River. Beautiful today.
Man, it's great
The
out.
water matches our side-by-side and your sweatshirt.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty cool. Ooh, I probably should point the camera up
Probably.
at your head.
If you want to.
Your other head.
Man, the weather's great today.
Yes, it feels weird.
Very weird.
Yeah, it feels weird.
It's supposed to be about 65 today, and it is like not cold at all. Like
65 with a low of 30.
yes. So
At some point,
we best get our buns back to the house and get a fire going.
yeah, at some point, it's all gonna come crashing down.
I hope we like brought enough clothes. when
I
this
know.
happens, or
I know.
we're gonna book at home.
Yeah, I'm in Crocs, and we're in sweatshirts. We're not dressed for 30.
No.
That was a ballsy move. Well, what are we doing today?
We're gonna go head to Fern Gully and find what was the waterfall name?
The Rocket Slide Waterfall.
Rocket Slide Waterfall.
Yeah.
Should be fun.
Yeah, I brought my tennis shoes. Do a little hiking.
I got my new hiking boots.
Yeah, you do. That's awesome.
Should be a good time.
Yeah.
We're gonna meet up with someone else at Eden's, get some breakfast, and then head out that way.
Sweet.
Kind of a long haul, but it'll be fun.
Yeah, it's probably like 55 miles,
Probably,
maybe
one
50.
way. Yeah, one way.
One way. So it'll be a good little run today.
We'll track it. We'll see.
Yeah, we will track this ride on Onyx and mark POIs as we get to them, so you can repeat the ride and the hike.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should be a good time.
Yeah. So if you want to find that track, it'll be over on our Patreon. Hit me up over there. Ooh, look, the sun's peeking out.
I did bring my sunglasses this time.
Good job. All right. Well, Juicy, you ready?
Get some breakfast.
Let's go get some grub.
Starving.
We need grub for our guts.
That's right.
All right. Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Later. Almost fell off the bridge. You know, I did hear that Bigfoot lives in Fern Gully. And you got your official search team shirt on, so
we're gonna definitely look.
Yeah, I mean, we already saw a coyote today.
Yeah, and a couple deer.
And deer, so we might get lucky today.
At least I hope we see a bear.
Yeah.
Or Sasquatch.
Yeah. Either one.
Either one.
All right, let's go.
Delicious.
The secret is the side of gravy.
Absolutely.
Yes. Got my toaster. Yeah. Juicy, what'd you think of that breakfast today?
Fabulous, that's all.
Oh, that was delicious.
I'm nice and full now.
Yeah.
Ready to go ride.
Yeah, we got, is Paul?
Yep,
Paul and Julie and the Razor following us today. We're getting ready to hit the road, Jack. Here we go. Got full bellies, full gas.
Yep.
We're going on an adventure.
Big old venture.
Yeah. So you're gonna want to stay tuned. See what happens. Do we find Bigfoot? Foggy today?
I don't know.
Might.
Like it.
Yeah. We're gonna be getting some Scooby-Doo stuff.
Ooh, that'd be cool.
Yeah. Let's fly. Might be a little juicy. Dispersed camping spots all along this road. You can camp out here for free. Right.
What?
You can camp out here for free.
Yeah.
Yeah. You could just sleep on the floor.
Yeah, you can just sleep on the floor.
You could. For free. Yeah. It's pretty awesome. Academy gonna go through every season today.
Yeah.
Whoa, that looks like landslide-ish. Hey, language.
Oh crap.
You could say ship.
No ship.
Or chit.
No chip.
Chit.
Chip.
Chit.
No chip.
Chip.
No chip, man.
Wow, this is pretty. It's getting foggy though right here. Oh yeah. School's coming up. Oh, foggy it is up here, y'all.
Wow.
Dang. That's what happens when you're on the top of the mountain. Ish.
All right, up top.
Oh yeah. You might not be able to see the school.
I don't know, maybe. It's gonna look all
Well, it's gonna look all haunted. It's the haunted schoolhouse. Yeah, that's it. Does it looks all eerie? That epic pond. Take your boat on there. Alright, we're still heading towards Bidville, White Rock. And now it's foggy. Are we scared?
I am.
mean, you just never know what's gonna jump out at you. Ditch tigers,
Deer.
deer,
Sasquatches.
yeah, werewolves. Watch it road.
I got this.
Jeez. Freaking tourists, sightseeing and stuff.
I know, right?
Supposed to be driving.
I is.
Woo! Woo! Dang.
I can't see where the trail.
Right? Alright, so we're on Bidville Road. We're looking for Hurricane Creek Road. There's a really good view right here, but you can't see it. Not today, sir. Not today. Definitely Scooby-Doo stuff today.
You requested it.
Can't see nothing. Wow.
Horse crossing.
Horsies. Ooh.
There's that horse right
Oh
there.
yeah. Oh, there's one. Those are donkeys. Oh, it's dirty. There's poop on the road.
Oh my god.
Ew. What the heck? There's the horses. Hi guys. Aww. The horse.
The thriving metropolis of Bidville.
Right.
I think there's one home,
Yeah.
maybe two.
And a cemetery.
And a cemetery.
Really nice cemetery.
That is a really
It's
nice.
high rent.
Yes, it is.
Bidville Church and Community Center. What are they doing? Music on the mountain.
Wow. Or maybe that's just a Pinnacle Mountain thing.
Oh, maybe. There are people here. There's wood, fresh wood.
seashells.
There's seashells in the house. That's pretty cool.
That fell down. Somebody's trying to fix it.
Yeah. Somebody must live here now. See fresh tracks. Good for them. That's a seashell house.
Oh, that building fell down. There was a chicken house out there.
Or did they tear it down?
They might have tore it down.
Yeah. Cool. That house is interesting to look at. Oh, look, there's pigs and goats. Oh, and a baby goat. Oh, they got it. Oh, wow, it's a little hobby farm. How cute. That was not on this road the last time we were here, was
The
it?
goats were there. We got the target practice over there.
Sweet. Man, you just never know what you're going to see on Bidville Road.
Yeah. Now I feel like we said that a few times.
Anytime, yeah. There's an underground shelter.
Right, an old cellar.
Yeah.
Somebody been up here putting shit.
Yeah. Hey, buddy. Hi. How you doing? All right, we're turning here on Hurricane Creek Road, if I can speak properly. We're hanging a left.
Go that way.
Shut it. Zip it.
Whatever.
Zip it, sir.
I use what you're saying.
Okay. Oh, look, it's clearing up. It's gonna get warm back up too. It's
Gonna warm back up.
We're driving through a portal to another season. Oh no, we're back in it.
That's what I stay on for a little ways, right? The Lock Road, I think.
Yeah, Old Lock Road.
Old Lock Road.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a 3 Rock, but I don't think we ever.
There's what?
3 Rock.
Oh, that one thing up here.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Oh, look, it's nice and clear now. And it's beautiful. Wow. This is a beautiful road.
This is a beautiful road.
I mean, all the roads around here are, but. Ooh, that's a fixer-upper. We can fix that up, no problem.
Daffodils coming up?
Yes, there sure is. Oh, yeah? Look, there's daffodils.
You see that?
Oh, yeah. There's daffodils.
There is, isn't there?
Yeah, they're bloomed. Wait. Hold on, I need to record that. Is there any big...
Just push it.
Oh!
Uh-oh.
God damn it.
I broke it.
I didn't break it.
What?
I broke it?
Oh, I probably broke it. Uh-oh.
This is not good. Uh-oh.
You might be stuck in there.
That's not funny. All right. I got out of the side-by-side. Door works now. Take these screws off. The zip tie got stuck in there, so that didn't work.
Is it?
I'm pretty sure. Closer to the Fern Gully. We gotta go on the highway a little bit. Stay tuned for this waterfall. It's gonna be... You gonna get in it?
No. I get in trouble.
Yeah, you do. Don't want to get in trouble, Juicy.
That's right.
This is the Fern Gully. Pretty cool. It does. What do you think of that Fern Gully?
Yeah, that place is so cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you can stand at the top, look down, it's like, oh, and then you get down in there and look up, and you're like, whoa.
Yeah, it's so, just...
You gotta hike down there,
yeah,
for sure, just to get the real feel for it.
Yeah.
Such a hidden little gem.
Oh, yeah.
Middle
Beautiful,
nowhere.
yeah.
Middle nowhere.
Especially when there's water.
Yes.
The water is cold and crystal clear.
Yes.
So pretty. Now what are we doing?
We're headed down to the river.
We're gonna go see the Mulberry River, huh?
Yes.
Cool. Awesome. Well, stay tuned for the Mulberry River. It should be pretty today.
Looks like a good little flying down there.
Yeah. The sun's peeking out. What? I see blue skies.
Oh shoot.
We went from fog,
intense fog,
hot, cold, fog, sun. I knew it. All the seasons.
all the seasons today.
Mulberry. Look at all this sand. Having a little beachy moment here. The Mulberry is full. How pretty. This is so beautiful. The sun's peeking out. I can put my shoes back on. It gets so smooth up here. Look at how smooth the river is up here. That's cool. And people float this river all the time. It's one of the most, it's probably the second most popular river to float in Arkansas. Look at that rock. Don't touch it, Juicy. It's gonna fall on you.
It is just perfectly wedged.
It's just perfectly wedged.
We have a log that one of our friends threw between our
hanger.
tree,
Yeah,
and it's just perfectly lodged between it, and nobody can get that thing out.
That's a lot of force.
Wow.
So cool.
For it to just hit, just right, to just stick there.
But even look at this piece right here, in
Yeah.
between
Well, I
the
mean,
middle
that
of
tells you how
that.
high the water was, because it was just floating down the river, hit
Right.
two trees, and was like, done.
Well, what'd you think of that river spot?
Pretty cool. I wish we could have got down to Foggy's, but
Yeah, there's a big tree down.
yeah, the water was pretty high anyway, so.
There's a cemetery right there. Brewer Cemetery. Random.
That's a fun little trail going down there anyway.
Yeah, that was fun. A little muddy.
A little muddy.
Look at these views. Now we're just heading towards Shores Lake. We might go do a couple trails in the in-between before we head back home.
Yeah, I think
We're
we should.
getting good time today. We are rolling.
I think that we should, so.
We are rolling. It's another trail. It's gotta be forestry. Oh yeah. Cool views. One lane bridge foggy again.
It's gonna get foggy again?
Yeah.
That way? Where is it?
So we hung a right when we should have went left. We kind of went off the trail a little bit, but now we're back on it.
Hey.
I think we are. It doesn't. Yeah, we're back on the loop.
Don't look very run.
It does not. I think everyone always goes up the other way. The outlaw way. I think this is the one that has the big rock on it. Hopefully there's no trees down.
Hopefully it ain't too washed out.
Oh, this is the rock that I thought was big. I guess it would have been in the canyon. I remember it was down here. Oh no, it's down here. Look how beautiful this gets. These big old rocks. It's pretty cool. It's just like a pile of rocks. Pile of big rocks. White rocks. Someone's cleaned it up. Maybe. Oh man.
It's definitely not a
Gotcha.
heavily run trail.
No. It's probably the boringest, most boring loop in the Ozarks.
Might be. Well, I think it's pretty.
It is pretty. The trail going up was cool. The one that went off the trail. Look at all the wood down.
Logging.
Dangsies. What a mess. Ooh, cute. That's pretty.
That is pretty. There's a little cascade coming on.
Oh, yeah. Cool. All right. Well, how do you rate Trail 1514?
Easy.
Yeah, it was okay.
It was kind of scenic in a couple spots.
Yeah, had a beautiful little creek
Looks like they
cascade.
did a bunch of logging back there.
Yeah.
Some of it was very nice to see, but
Exactly.
still a cute little trail.
It was. Yeah. Would you go out of your way to do it? Nah.
I wouldn't drive all the way here to go do it, no.
No. But since we're already out here, it's kind of cool.
Yeah.
We saw a whole crap ton of deer.
Yeah, there's a
That
ton
was
up there.
It's pretty back here.
We'll explore. Nothing wrong with that.
Yep. Now what are we doing?
Well, I suppose we best mosey on back.
Yeah, we're gonna
exactly.
See what we do next. Juicy's always doing crazy stuff.
Yeah.
Chip. Chip.
Shoot.
Chip.
Shoot.
Oh, Chip.
Shoot.
We still got a beautiful ride home in the Ozarks, so. Any day you could be out here in the forest is a good day.
Absolutely. Get out and explore.
Yeah, right. That's right. Whoa, look at this view, Juicy. No, you watch the road. Wow. So this is the 1510 road. There's some cool dispersed camp spots on this road. Highly recommend. Views are insane.
Yeah, look at that up there.
Yeah.
Look at way over there. See the big rock bluff up there?
Oh yeah. This is a pretty road too. I feel like I say that a lot. I love county roads.
I do too.
I think they're fun. I love rolling through county roads. Hey man, if you're from Iowa, it's awesome.
Exactly.
And it don't get old. What's that?
You can just be from Arkansas and this is awesome.
Well, that too. No one there. So this is a cool camp spot. Look, you can see the lake.
Oh, really? Yeah. Yeah, this is the way I've come down.
Yep.
All the time. Yeah, I never went up that other way. Yeah. He's like, where are we?
So you've seen us.
This is a cool little dispersed camping spot here on a road trail 1510. You can see the lake right from your camp spot. We made it to this old homestead. 1936, the wall, and this big old tree fell on the.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
It's a little hobbit house. I like that. What a grand adventure. So yeah, this is the old homestead. Remnants of one. Makes you wonder what happened. There's Amazon! No, I think that's a camper.
Yeah, I'm like, is it really?
Someone's been working on this place. They put a door on here. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, there's an old one. That one's going too.
Oh, yeah. That probably comes out of the tank.
I bet it does.
Like the overflow.
All right, well, it's pretty cool here at Fugit Springs. We've got the Hobbit house / cellar. Now we're gonna head back towards Eden's, Combs, Arkansas. Oh my gosh.
That's the coldness coming in.
Oh. So we were just at Sunny Skies, and now
Nice and warm and cozy.
and now we're driving back and we turned on the heater because it's getting cold. Look at it. It was just sunny on that side of the mountain. So winter is coming back. Joy. It was such a nice fake spring day.
are dropping.
Someone turned off the heat.
It was nice and warm this morning.
I mean, it was like 60. It's probably like 45.
Yeah.
And the wind is a little brutal.
Yeah, the cold is coming in tonight. So.
Yeah.
Great time today.
Oh man, it was so fun. We got to go hiking.
Yes. Got our steps in, got some hiking in.
And then we went to the beach.
Yes.
With sand. I had sand in my toes.
And it's freezing now.
And now it's cold. Like a bird.
Yeah,
we have to go home.
We must be getting home, get a fire going.
Yeah, we gotta go home now.
I know.
But
good time today, though.
Great ride. Oh man, it was pretty freaking fun.
Yes.
We ended up with 66 miles to Fern Gully and back. That's
Combs, Fern Gully and back. So
yeah, so
great time.
It's pretty cool. Met some new friends, hopefully new off-road friends. Yeah, it's gonna be
a great time too. Seen some stuff they had never seen.
Yeah, we did a lot of cool stuff.
Yeah. Mostly roads, but that's all right.
I mean, I like doing gravel travel.
I do too.
There is nothing wrong with that.
Nope. Good time.
Yeah. What do you say? Do you say?
Always
I mean,
an
my
adventure.
hands are frozen right now.
Always an adventure.
Holding this camera.
We better adventure our asses back home.
You said a cuss word.
I did not. Time to go.
Rewind the tape. Say it right.
Time to get our butts home. It's getting cold out here.
Okay, what do you say? Do you say?
Always an adventure.
Oh, we did not find Bigfoot.
No.
Dang it.
I had
Maybe
no
next
sweatshirt on
time.
For it, but
Maybe next time.
maybe next time.
All right. Thanks, guys, for watching. We appreciate y'all.
Thanks for watching.
Later.
Bye.
Bye. Yo, keep it real, all right? Keep it real. Keep it real, GC.
Keep it real.
Keep it real. We got the heater on. Oh, where's my gloves? Oh, man. There is some interesting tagging going on down here. So they like to catch catfish in the river?
Or no, they got catfished.
Oh, okay.
Denise is a bitch.
Oh man, you little bee, Denise. Boots and hose. Oh, boats and hose.
Boats and hose!
What do boats have to do with gardening tools? Just wondering.
I don't know.
That's a great question.
Great question, honey.
I mean, are you gardening when you're on the boats?
Boats and hose!
Alright. Goodbye.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.